Hey, what's going on, guys? What I'm going to do right now in this video is create a heart. You know, Valentine is coming up, so I'm going to create a heart with the palette knife, and I'm going to make a heart, taking up the entire surface right here. Here I'm painting on the board, masonite board. What I'm going to do is show you how to paint a heart using the palette knife. The first thing I want to do is just draw a heart, and I want the heart to take up my entire surface. I want it nice and big. Let me step back so I can see if it's pretty even. Yeah, that's pretty even. So what I'm going to do is start painting. First thing first, my heart. And I'm going to add some pink and some red. So I'm going to put this start right here on this left side light and just going to gradually go to red. So here I have red, white, and yellow. I'm just going to add a little white, mix it in. Hope you guys can see that pretty good. The rest of this paint is dried up, so got my wet paint right here, the white, red, and yellow. It's going to be a real easy, quick painting too. So just want to show you how you can make a cool heart using the palette knife with some cool textures. I'm just going to fill it in using the tip of my palette knife to paint in the edge right here. I'm going to come on over, bring it down. Even though I might go out of the line, I come back in and clean that up. That's no problem. And there we go right there. I'm going to add a little darker red. Just kind of go in the circle motion, kind of the shape of the heart. Uh-oh. Then tighten it up. Tight enough. Got so much paint on my easel. Dry paint. Kind of hard to stick. That's okay though. Let's go ahead in. Come on this side. Nice, cool textures. Add a little yellow to it. Oh, that looks nice right there. I like that yellow. Come in right there. Come on around, nice and clean. A little bit more red. Come on this side. Add some yellow. Add some white, give it some highlights. Fairly easy painting. You can do this and give it to someone. You can have some students do it, say if you teach a class. It's quick, very easy, cool, simple painting to do. You can do it for yourself or however, or give it to a gift to someone. So, or sell it. You know, a lot of people sell stuff like this too. That's it. If I want to, I can do some more things, but I can put a little line, some texture in here. Write a name if I want to. So it's pretty cool. I can make it thicker if I want by adding more paint. But I'm going to stop right here. Kind of getting out of line now. I'm going to stop right here. I just want to show you that. So what I'm going to do next is go in, and this is gesso right here, so what I'm going to do next is go ahead and paint the background white. Paint over gesso. I could leave like that, but I don't like those lines showing, so what I'm going to do is wipe off my palette knife. I have an apron here. This is how I wipe off my paint. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, that's how I wipe off. It's easier that way instead of getting a paper towel. So here I'm getting my white paint. I'm just going to go in like that, real easy and nice and smooth. Like laying icing on a cake. How many of you guys like cake? I know I do. Try to cut back on the sweets though, to be honest with you. But I still love cake though. I don't eat as much as I used to. So come around the edge, nice and clean. Turn it around that way. My palette knife. I love the nice texture. Here I'm using golden paint. And I love how thick it is, how milky it is. I can move it around, manipulate it however I want. A little red got in there, it's okay. I'll come down here. And add some more paint right there. And I'm using the tip of my palette knife to get on the nice clean edges right here on the tip next to my heart. Like that. Alright, ran out of white paint, get some more white paint. Voila, almost finished. Get right here at the bottom. Get on the other side, and we're done. Easy, easy, easy. This is I think 11 by 14 board, so kind of help you get an idea. Clean up the edge down here at the bottom, and that's it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Easy, easy paint. I'm going to use the top of this, my palette knife, to kind of outline a little bit. Come around here on this side. And voila. That's it. If I want to create some texture, a little bit I can. Kind of mix it in a little bit. It's up to you. Your preference, whatever you want to do. But that's it. Hope you guys liked this video. Leave a comment. If you're interested in more of my courses on painting with a palette knife, acrylic paint, check out the links below. See y'all on the flip side. See ya. Bye.